Good morning, friends! It's Friday already. So fast. What are you watching? So, kainan na naman. It's time to eat and I will be eating hot dog today. So, this is my hot dog. This is from Virginia. I like the Virginia hot dogs compared to the what's that? Pure Foods, because I feel like the Pure Foods ones are so soft and this one is kind of firm. And the kids also like the taste of the Virginia hot dog. So yeah, I have 3. I don't know if I could eat them all, but we also have gulay, but I think I'm gonna get 1. So, yan. Sasaw ko lang siya sa suka. Hello, mga friends. We're back to the car scene. Lagi na lang nasa car. Bakit kaya? Guys, I tell you, today is so hot. I don't know if how many degrees today. It's like, it feels like 40 degrees Celsius. It's so hot. I don't know, it's so weird, but every night it rains, like, pero hindi naman yung malakas na ulan, but at least it is raining. But I don't know, it's just so weird because during the day it is just so hot. Like today, I'm gonna bring you close up, okay, so that you can see my sweat. I don't know if you can see, but I'm sweating a lot. Yeah, he's sweating too, sad. Hey friends, as usual, nandito na naman kami sa SM Seaside. Yan, nandito lang kami sa, what's this? Pizza Hut, kasi bumili kami ng pizza for Sashi's school kasi club nila ngayon, and it's her turn to buy food for their club. So she said she wanted a pizza kasi hindi siya kumakain ng ibang food, guys. So she said, okay, pizza na lang. So yun, kaya we dropped by here at SM Seaside. And what else? It's still pretty early. She said that she will be waiting for us there like mga 2:15. So it's still 1:45. So we still have time para pumunta doon. And then si Baba, yung dismissal naman ni Baba ngayon is 2, so timing lang din, diba? Lucky nandun. Tingin-tingin sa mga scents din. Yeah, yun. Hey guys, so magluluto ko ng fishball. Ito yung fishball, and since you can see me, we don't have fishball sauce, I will make one. So, eto lang yung ingredients, I guess. Garlic, onion, and vinegar. Mabilis lang. So, I'll just chop the garlic and vinegar, and yun. Then, we will cook it, okay? Wow, grabe. Pinaiyak ako ng sibuyas, guys. My eyes is very sensitive. Every time I slice onions and garlic, this happens every time. Diba? Grabe. Hindi ko kinaya. I had a fight with the onion. I'll just stir this, guys. I added water and vinegar because by the time that I will add the cornstarch, it will thicken, so it will also reduce. So That's why I added, and then I'll just give it a stir so that the sugar, the water, and the vinegar will be mixed together. And after that, I'm gonna pour it here. And let this boil. And then after it starts to boil or simmer a little, I will add cornstarch or flour to thicken this. Ito na yung sauce natin, guys, and medyo mainit pa siya. Kita naman yung usok. Sorry kung maingay kasi nanonood ng TV tapos maingay din sila. It's Friday. So the consistency is just like this. I leave it like this kasi nga by the time na lalamig na yung sauce, it will turn much thicker. So okay lang na ganito kasi mainit pa siya kaya medyo malapot yung diba? Tapos magluluto na ako ng fishball.
Salamat siya na may natatanggap silang pang-suporte sa pag-aaral ng mga bata dahil sa 4Ps ng DSWD.
Kasi 8,800 po lahat yung last namin nakuha.
Ito pala yung fishball na lulutuin ko, guys.
Ito ang dahilan kung bakit hinain ng dating chairman ng House Committee on Poverty and Alleviation.
So our fishball's cooked. Ang pangit ng itsura ng fishball na to. And this one tastes, I already tasted it, and this one tastes like tempura, not the old fishball. So this is our sauce, and it's still hot, but I'm just going to get very little of this and put it here because I want to store this. I'm not going to use the entire sauce because this is a lot. So I'm just going to get a little and then put it in this little saucer. And then, yeah, let's eat, guys. It's time for the taste test. And then dip it on your sauce and eat. Tastes so good. Tastes better than the sauce from the streets. Good morning, friends. So it's Monday again, and we just finished attending mass. The 7:30 mass here at the cathedral, and we are on our way to the kids' school to pay some bills. So I don't know what is our agenda for today, but we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. So I'm gonna see you later. Bumili lang saglit si Lucky ng saging doon. Kasi mura yung saging nila and looks delicious. Burger! You're a burger! Hey guys, so we're here now at the hotel and we are just waiting for our friend to come down. And yeah, it's still early though. We will meet at 8 a.m. so it is still 7:45, so it's still pretty early. I'm just really early, guys. I see to it that I came early, like 10 or 15 minutes prior to the time that we agreed. So I'm just waiting, and Lucky is outside. Hi friends. We are our usual hangout. We are at our usual hangout, which How? I thought you're going to answer SMC side. So we're done meeting our friend, and so we fetch the kids. Today they are half day lang yung school nila kasi exam week, and I thought that it would take long for us to meet our friends, but they said that they want to be they just let us go. Took a while for the seminar to get finished. I think it's going to be finished at 12, so we left early and they stayed there. So we will be meeting up again tomorrow to send them to the airport. So yun. So we are just having lunch here sa Burger King kasi Baba's request is Burger King, Burger King, Burger King, Burger King. Diba, te? And then she suddenly fell asleep. And Burger King, Burger King. I really like this song, guys, from Justin Timberlake, OST of Trolls. Alright. Init kayo. Wow, it's so hot. Good morning, friends! Somebody was singing. Ano ba? Somebody singing. Despacito si Rookie Burrito. Yes. Family Burrito. Good morning, guys! Oh, ang dilim. You can't see me. Dito much better. So today is kind of gloomy day. I think it's about to rain. Yeah, and we are out early again and going to the airport. Bye, Philippines. Buyer. Buyer. See you later, Philippines. Mabuhay. Wow. It is such a beautiful today, even though it is the sun is hiding, but so beautiful because it's so cold. I really like this kind of morning, and I think there's a little drizzle going on now. There's a little rain, some sprinkling over there and there, but yeah, I don't know. I'm getting so weird again talking, so I just feel so happy being around, surrounded by plants and feeling, you know, chilly. We're at the airport.
Huwag ka mag-picture.
Wala dyan ko nakapicture.
Ano man?
So we're done with to the airport. We're done to the airport. So we're done from the airport. Yun dapat. So we're done and we're heading home, and it's time to send the kids to school, but it's so traffic. We're still here at Mandaue. So traffic. Grabe yung traffic, guys, anywhere in Cebu. This is Mandaue City, by the way, and dun pa lang sa may bridge ang traffic na. Kaya si Rocky naglalaro na lang siya ng Roblox.
Roblox na niya, Roblox. Ako na may Roblox din.
Sorry naman. Rubik's Cube pala. Roblox. That's Baba's game, Roblox. So yun. Ang traffic, grabe. I don't know. Saan ba pwedeng dumaan na walang traffic? Sana may na. How I wish that we have like subways or trains so that it will not be this traffic. Kasi, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but this really gives me anxiety and it makes me so irritated. So yun lang, and sana makauwi na kami kasi we're hungry already, and yeah, I'm hungry already. My last meal yesterday was like around 3 p.m. So I did not eat anything.
3 p.m.
Yeah, 3 p.m. sa Burger King, di ba?
Oh,
And I did not eat anything after that.
3 p.m.
3 p.m.
So, 3 p.m. You should have eaten mga 7.
Diba? So, I'm really hungry. It's already 9:30. So, imagine my last meal yesterday was 3 p.m.
Bakante dito, bakante.
Go. Go, it's vacant. But, ang dami na palang mga ganito dito sa sa Mandawi. Ibang-iba na yung itsura ng Mandawi, guys. The last time that I was here, it was
But
last
still, it's
year.
not about delicious.
It's not that. Unsa? It's not what? Can you finish your sentence, man? Yun lang. I'm mumbling na kasi gutom na. So, see you sa bahay, guys. Breakfast na tayo, guys. Wow, bongga ng breakfast ko. Oh, pizza. Pizza! Coffee! Diba? Kain na! Hey friends, so as you can see, I'm in the car again. I think today is I will be spending most of my time inside the car because we are so busy going here and there. He went to the airport early this morning to send our friends because they will be going home today, and yeah, so we went there early and then we came home and sent again the kids to school. And I am so sleepy, you guys. I only had 5 hours of sleep last night. I went to bed like around 1 a.m. because I tutored Baba because today is their periodical test. So that's why I am so sleepy right now. Gusto ko ng ganitong puno. Yan na puno. Kasi ang ganda, di ba? Yan na puno ng SM. Hi guys! Lumabas na kami sa SM. We're out of SM. And I did not film there because it says there's a big sign there that says you're not allowed to take your pet inside the grocery and you're not allowed to take photos, videos. So last time I did film video inside, but now I didn't because I don't want to get busted. So later, what's your problem? Sige, akikuot bi. Let me do the honor. So I will be doing a haul when we get home. Stop by at Watson's too. Wow, ang dumi naman ng kotse. I really like this tree, guys. I wanted to have one for myself. Hello. This tree. Finally. And we're going home. We've been on the road for how many hours since this morning? Finally. Inubos mo yung there, gulaman na lang iwan. So sweet. Grabe naman bakit tabingi yung ko, yung glasses ko? Ba't ganito? Hey friends, so nandito na kami sa bahay and I just wanted to do a quick haul from SM. So, konti lang yung nabili ko, guys, yung mga the usual stuff na binibili na kailangan talaga, something to eat. So, I bought a lot of junk food. Not really a lot because we see to it that we don't eat a lot of junk foods because it's not good to the body, diba? So, paminsan-minsan lang pag feel, but really we don't eat junk foods all the time. So let's start. So I got this cheese ring, and then crackling, which is Sashi's favorite. I like this one too. And then yeah, dalawang crackling. Tapos I haven't tried this one from Leslie. It's their baked cheese puff. I wanted to try this one, and since this is a cheddar flavored chip or junk food, if you don't know, I love cheese, so I wanted to try this one. And then roller coaster for Baba, she likes this one. And of course, our favorite pancit canton from Payless, from Nissan. Nissan? Payless. What's this, Nissan or Payless? Payless. Whatever, I'm confused. So this pancit canton from Payless. This is the chilimansi, which is mine. And then, of course, extra hot for Sashi. I think I bought a lot of this. Like we have, yeah, 5 of these extra hot. And then I also got the original flavor for Baba Finchy. We don't eat spicy food. And then peanut butter, of course. This is from SM Bonus. This is the crunchy peanut butter one. And then I also got ball pens. This is from Donga. It's their what's this called? My gel from Donga. And then I also got these Lucky Me curly spaghetti. I wanted to try the spaghetti because it looks delicious. So I got one of these. This is the Lucky Me special curly spaghetti. And I also got the mac and cheese from Lucky Me as well. And then oh, brief.
Oh yeah.
There's a brief in it. Last but not the least, cheese whiz, of course, because I love cheese. I'm so excited already, guys. So I'm gonna try this one right away because I really wanted to eat spaghetti. I miss eating Napolitan. That is my favorite spaghetti, Japanese style. So I miss eating that one. So I'm really craving to eat spaghetti for the longest time. And I know if you're asking me, then why not make one? I don't know. I'm so lazy to make one, and I don't know if it's going to be me only that it's going to eat spaghetti. So it's a waste of money if I make one because I need to buy a lot of ingredients. And if it's just me that's going to eat, then most probably I will not eat them also. Yeah, I'll just try this one because I don't like the spaghetti from Jollibee or any fast foods here. So I'll just try this one from Lucky Me just to satisfy the cravings, guys. So I already have water here to boil, and I'll just wait for it to boil. Tapos ilalagay na natin to. I think my water's ready or already boiling, so I'm just going to put the noodles now and wait for the instruction says here that cook noodles in briskly boiling water for 4 minutes. So 4 minutes, and we're going to add the sauce. 4 minutes, ang tagal naman. Hindi ba pwedeng 3 minutes? So sauce here, and sauce looks pretty legit though. It looks like the spaghetti sauce that you make your own, but I wanted to smell if it smells the same with the, but look how tiny the sauce though. Hindi ko alam kung magkakasya yung sauce, diba? Look how small or tiny the sauce is. Let's try smelling this, okay? So I'm gonna smell the sauce if it smells the same with the spaghetti sauce that we make. Yeah, smells pretty legit, just like the sauce, your homemade spaghetti sauce. But I don't think the sauce is enough, guys, with the noodles. Diba? So let's see if yung taste niya is legit din, diba? Na spaghetti talaga. So I'm excited. I will just going to mix this. Mix muna natin. Oh my gosh. Parang kulang yung sauce, guys. I feel like. Diba? Tingnan nyo. Diba? Dito, wala pa masyadong sauce. Grabe naman. Barat-barat naman nila sa sauce. So, I'm gonna taste it now. And let's see what the taste tastes like. It's pretty hot though. To be honest, it doesn't taste like spaghetti. It tastes weird. Tastes like sardines. I don't know, but I don't know if it's just me or I'm just weird, you know, but I don't taste anything spaghetti on this one. It looks like spaghetti and it smells like a spaghetti, but the taste tastes weird. Doesn't the one that it ano ba yan? I did not expected that this would taste like this. It smells like spaghetti, but no. It tastes weird, really. I don't know if I like this. Yeah, it's not the spaghetti that I expected, guys. But since I am really craving for a spaghetti, I'll just eat this because sayang naman, diba? But I don't know, it's not worth the price. This one cost 17 pesos, and I tell you honestly, it doesn't taste really that spaghetti that you expected. So kinda sad. Since this spaghetti tastes weird, I'm going to put ketchup on it. Because it tastes really weird. Konti lang. Yan. Pwede na yan siguro, no? Diba? And let's try. So, let's try our spaghetti again. Tastes a little better compared a while ago. Doesn't taste really spaghetti. Now,
Tastes like ketchup.
tastes a little better. Yeah, definitely.
Ketchup. Not spaghetti, ketchup.
Whatever. So, yan. Kain na lang tayo, guys. And, kape. Grabe! Brown out. Usually, parang ganyan na, pick, pick. Tapos, balik agad yung kuryente. What?
Can you... Does it sound familiar?
What? Kisama ron.
Without the kids, without
Yeah.
chicken.
Sounds like Japan. It's so quiet.
Also like when you look at
Yeah.
Nani.
I really like in a place where it's so quiet. It just gives me a headache whenever it's so loud. So you want to change location? Yeah, it's better to live in a province because it's so quiet. Unlike in the city where there is a lot of cars honking, especially if you live really in the city, not like not in residential areas in the city. It's so loud. All the tricycle is honking, especially the car, the tricycle, everything. Even people. There's a lot of people. So I just cannot bear. living there. And we are fortunate that we live in an area where, you know, it's residential and it's quiet. At least we could still enjoy this quiet surroundings because we really need that. Because I don't know, I just don't know. Maybe it's just me, but we are so used to the quiet environment in Japan. And it's been a year, more than a year, guys, that we are here in the Philippines, but I'm still not used to the noisiness here in the Philippines. I don't know why. It gives me migraines, super bonggang headache. Yes, really, and gives me anxiety too. And now we don't have electricity. Blackout, or how do you call it? Blackout, brownout? Because Cebuanos call it brownout. I don't know, it's not brown, it's black, diba? It's supposedly to be called blackout, but we call it brownout, diba? I don't know. Comment below. What do you call that? Blackout, brownout, or whatever. Ang init, guys. Grabe. It's so hot. And it's like 5 minutes lang since na walang kuryente. But I'm watching YouTube, but since there's no electricity, there's no Wi-Fi, then I need to stop and talk to all of you. So I will be trying this one. I'm excited because this is cheese, and I was so sad with the spaghetti from Lucky Me. I don't recommend it. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but personally I don't recommend it because it's not delicious at all. Yeah, for me it's not delicious. You better make your own spaghetti na lang, guys, para sulit, tapos satisfied talaga. Yon, tapos kakain na tayo nito. Rookie woke up because mainit. Sorry. Oh my god. This tastes weird too. This tastes like magic syrup. You know the taste of magic syrup? It doesn't taste cheese at all. I like the cheese ring better. Before we used to eat this one. We used to eat cheese curls, but cheese curls doesn't taste good nowadays. It doesn't taste like cheese. It tastes like flour. This one tastes like magic syrup. I'm so sorry, guys, if this video is about me. All about me. Always complaining with the taste. I'm sorry, but really, cheese puff. Expectation versus reality. Who watched the what's that? I don't know, the twin from YouTube, the two twins. Meryl twins? I guess there are Meryl twins. Yeah. They sing that song. Expectation versus reality. Di pa rin bumabalik yung kuryente. Kaya kakain na muna ako at kakanta. Well, makain. Why is the dog barking? I'll just take a nap, friends, kasi the headache is still here. It's not going away. Matutulog muna ako, guys, and I will be back. I don't know if I will be back later tonight because usually at the middle of my vlogs I don't come back. It's always me saying goodbye at the end of the week's vlog. So I don't know if I could still come back tonight, but let's see. So for now, I'm just going to take this nap.